Are you tired of dealing with chronic inflammation? Inflammation can be a silent culprit behind a wide range of health issues, from joint pain to heart disease. But the good news is, the solution may be as close as your kitchen. Today, we're unveiling some most powerful anti-inflammatory foods that can help you fight back and reclaim your well-being. Let's start with some true inflammation-fighting champions. Topping the list are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These gems are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are renowned for their ability to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Next up, we have the vibrant turmeric. This golden spice contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. You can add turmeric to your curries, smoothies, or even brew it into a soothing tea. And let's not forget about the mighty ginger. Whether you grate it into your stir-fries or sip on some ginger tea, this zesty root can help calm inflammation throughout your body. Moving on, we have a lineup of nutrient-dense superfoods that can also fight inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Incorporating them into your daily meals is a surefire way to nourish your body. Berries, especially blueberries and raspberries, are another powerhouse. These little gems are bursting with flavonoids that can help reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. And let's not forget about the humble avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, avocados can be a game changer in your anti-inflammatory journey. Now let's explore some more versatile allies in the war against inflammation. Nuts and seeds such as walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s and antioxidants. Sprinkle them on your salads, oatmeal, or enjoy them as a satisfying snack. Olive oil is another inflammation-fighting powerhouse. Swap out your regular cooking oil for extra virgin olive oil, which is brimming with healthy monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. And let's not forget about the humble green tea. This delightful beverage is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds called catechins that can help reduce inflammation throughout your body. There you have it, folks, some commonly available incredible foods that can help you fight inflammation and reclaim your health. Remember, the key is to incorporate these nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory powerhouses into your daily diet. Start small, experiment with new recipes, and witness the transformative effects on your well-being. So are you ready to take control of your health and fight inflammation with the power of food? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious individuals. Together, let's unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you.